Welcome to ByteVision YouTube channel on a 200 Lite 5G unboxing by ByteVision team. The Honor 200 Lite 5G is a budget-friendly smartphone that offers several appealing features for its price range. Here's a comprehensive overview based on the latest information available. General information announcement, announced in April 2024. Operating system, runs on Android 14 with MagicOS 8.0. Design and build dimensions, measures 161.1 by 74.6 by 6.8 mm and weighs 166 grams, making it quite lightweight and slim. Materials, features a plastic body which contributes to its lightweight design but also makes it less prone to damage from drops due to the SGS Five-star drop resistance certification. Display type, AMOLED display, 6.7 inches in size with a resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels, FHD+. Refresh rate, 90 Hz, ensuring smooth scrolling and responsiveness. Brightness, can reach up to 2000 nits, making it visible even under direct sunlight. Eye care, equipped with 3240 Hz PWM dimming technology, certified by TV Rhineland to reduce eye strain. Performance processor, MediaTek Dimensity 6080, which is a 6nm chipset with 8 cores, 2x2.4 GHz Cortex, A76 and 6x2.0 GHz Cortex, A55. Memory, 8GB RAM, expandable to 16GB with Honor RAM Turbo technology, and 256GB of internal storage. Camera, rear camera, triple camera setup with a 108MP primary sensor, f1.75, a 5MP ultra-wide, f2.2, and a 2MP macro camera, f2.4. Front camera, 50MP for high-resolution selfies. Battery capacity, 4500 mAh battery, offering a good balance between capacity and the device's slim profile. Charging, supports 35W fast charging, allowing for 50% charge in about 30 minutes. Connectivity 5G support, yes, making it future-proof for faster data connections. Other features, NFC, dual SIM capability, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.0. Market reception price, currently, it's available for around £179.99 in the UK, with offers like free earbuds and discounts during sales events. User reviews, users and reviews praise its design, display quality, and camera capabilities for the price. However, some note that performance might not match more expensive models for resource-heavy tasks. Software updates, OS updates, Honor has committed to providing 2 OS upgrades and 3 years of security patches. Additional notes, color options, available in colors like Midnight Black, Cyan Lake, and Starry Blue. Thank you for watching ByteVision YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe.